Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new, which you probably are. I haven't been here in a while, but today is January 18th, so 18 days in, I've decided it's time to glow up, it's time to transform, it's time to do something new. So I'm gonna go to a curly hair specialist and get my curly hair cut into a whole different shape. I'm really hoping it gives the impact of what I want it to give. So this is my hair at the moment. I didn't want to take it out of this because I think it's really cute, but I just want more like definition, more volume. Like, oh, I need to wash my hair tomorrow, so tomorrow I'll show you exactly what my hair is usually like and what I want to do with it, like what my problems are with it and why I want to change. I also just thought, like, it's a new year, new me, all that, so why the hell not? So I'm gonna bring you along with me. I just thought, I haven't been making YouTube videos for a minute, so I just thought, why the hell not? But hopefully you want to come with me and see the result as well, and also maybe even see part of the process too. Just a dry curly cut, but it's so different going to a curly hair specialist than it is to a normal hairdresser. Like, I would never go back now personally, now that I'm committed to my curls and my curly journey. It almost rhymed. Curly journey, I wouldn't go back now. So come with me and let's experience this together. Let's glow up for 2024. That's it, I guess I'll see you tomorrow. Does anyone even do that anymore? I don't think they do. Good morning. Oh, okay, it's literally, I don't know what time it is. It's like 7 AM right now. I'm gonna have a shower, but I wanted to quickly show you my hair and basically like what I'm wanting done to it. So I had loads of gel in my hair last night, so I really need to scrub all of that out. All of this bottom part of my hair curls really well. Right here curls really well, and then the layers I've had put in, the ends of this will curl really well. But then this is quite a long layer. Like, there's all of this hair that, like, it's not super curly all the way down. So to me, it feels like it's kind of like normal curly all at the bottom. And then to me, it's like it's bottom heavy. And then my second problem is that, like, because I have these long layers, these front pieces are just as long as these pieces. And so I just want some face framing, because I like to have my hair down, but like, look. But yeah, I'm gonna get some face framing pieces. Hopefully that's gonna look cute. And then I want more layers. At the moment it feels like it's like this. Like, to my head and then. If you do want a full curly hair routine video, let me know, because I feel like I've perfected it over time. And I have like 2C hair. And it's working for me. It's starting to work for me. It starts to work for me every single time. But yeah, I'm gonna hop in the shower now and I'll see you when we're gonna get my hair cut.
Doing. Yeah. This is nothing. I don't think I mind that. I feel like sometimes that's what I make it do. Like, I like, or if it's to the side, I always like it being like a bit heavy on one side, which is why I thought maybe I should just get it cut like that.
Yes.
Yeah, this is nice. Yeah. This is it, like, pre-crunched, but I got all these shorter layers. Like, everything's curling at the base of my head, which it did not do before. I'm going somewhere, so I'm gonna crunch it out when I get there, but that's basically how it's gonna look. I'll update you with how it looks when it's fully crunched out, fluffy. But like, oh my god, the difference in that in just one wash. I love it!
4 hours later.
Hey! So I'm back, got my hair done. It's so, oh my god, it's like everything I wanted and maybe even more. So I decided like the face framing stuff, I was gonna go for like almost like full fringe vibes, but then when I got there I was really nervous, and she was saying that like I quite like things to just go smoothly, and she has a curly fringe too, and she was saying that I just need to be aware that, you know, that a curly fringe is not always going to go the way I want it to go, and that it's somewhere that will always be crushed at night, so you'll have to do the fringe every single day. And so I was like, okay, maybe we just start with this and I'll see how I get on. So she did do face framing, just, you know, not full fringe. So I have these shorter bits that are so cute. Like if I had my hair back, like I've got these cute front pieces now. I just love how, like, I love it, love it, love it. So I have layers on layers. So like these are shorter, it gets shorter. This up here, look how short these ones are, so short. And obviously it's the same on the other side. But because of that, my top up here is really curling, and it did not used to do that before. Like even if you just remember the beginning of the video, like it wasn't doing that. And all I have done is my normal curly routine. I haven't curled my hair, I haven't done anything more, but just this haircut alone, oh my god. And also I had like blonde bits in my hair, and just because I've had my hair cut, a lot of that got cut out.
I see a little bit on right on the tips now,
which was great, but obviously it's making me like feel like I've had a crazy thing done, because I've now just got full black hair. Like there's a little bit of some little brown bits in the bottom, but that's basically what I asked for. Was I just wanted some face framing, and I wanted a lot of layers so that it was always going to sit voluminous in this section. So that's what's happened. I can show you it from the back as well. So this is the back. I don't even know what the back looks like, but I bet it's great. I think I said in the beginning, but I really like having a middle part, but I can still put it over or anything. I prefer having a middle part. I just find it a lot easier. I just love it. I just feel like a bombshell. Honestly, that's what I feel like. I feel like a fucking bombshell. And I just think it's crazy that like I'm gonna look like this every day now. Like this is me, what I look like now. I feel like I'm in a whole new era. I need to update my makeup routine now accordingly. I need to update everything. I need to decide like what's the vibe, what am I going for. But look how curly and gorgeous my hair is, and like this is just my natural hair. It's just the haircut. My hair was crying for this kind of haircut, and I feel like it's thanking me. And I just know this is the first time I styled it since having it done. I just know that like a month later, like a couple of washes in, I feel like it's only gonna get better and better and better, because like it's just gorgeous. I love it. What is this? I don't know. That kind of concludes the video. I mean, I just wanted to take you with me to get my hair done. And this was inspired by TikTok. Like I saw a girl on there who, her hair was really, really nice, and it was curly, and it was just really voluminous. And when I like studied, I took a screenshot, and when I studied it more, I could see what she had, and it was loads of layers. But yeah, thank you for watching, and thank you for coming with me. And I feel like I've taken a plunge, but you took it with me and you held my hand the whole way, so I feel like we did it together. But yeah, let me know if you want a curly routine. Let me know what else you want to see. Like I'm happy to talk about my curls for 1,000,001 years, so I can do that, but I can also talk about anything. Like I said, I'm probably gonna have to update my makeup routine now, because I feel like a different person, a different girl now. But yeah, I'm gonna love you and leave you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, tell all your friends that I'm here. Tell everyone you know, tell them. And I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.